Today I will fly.
By Mo Willems.
Today I will fly. Today I will fly.
No. You will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly.
I will try. Goodbye.
You will not fly. She will not fly.
Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly.
You need help.
Thank you. I do need help. I will get help.
Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof.
I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help.
You did not fly.
I did not fly?
You jumped.
I jumped? It was a big jump.
Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly.
I will try again.
I will eat lunch.
Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Ugh. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello.
You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She could fly.
I am not flying.
You are not flying?
I am getting help. Thank you for your help.
Tomorrow, I will fly.
Good luck.
Fly, 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 fly. Oof!
Story time read-alouds.